welcome back. It's Captain DAVEMAN. Welcome to my channel. And we're still at the same way. Boy, we have a lot of boxes to go through and some of the stuff is old. So let's get right down to it. Wife's still not here. Gone. Who knows? Maybe she'll never come back. Just joking. But anyhow, let's get to it. We're going to go through these kind of fast, so let's get moving. We got a ton to go through, people. Please don't be no spiders. What do we have? Oh, look at this. Some kind of funky floor lamp. Look at that. Is that funky or what? It's like 1970s. Huh. Somebody may be interested in that somewhere. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. Oh boy. This looks like paperwork, cards. Huh. Mask coverings. Little bitty something there. But besides that, it's all paperwork. I'll have to go through that a little bit better, make sure there's no cards, you know, gift cards or anything like that. Oop, this goes with you, guy. Close this. Nope, not my knife. Okay, how about this one? It's right there. Oh. Doorknob. They're used though, but they're in boxes. Doorknobs. I don't know if they're used or just, no, they're used. Which one? This one? Okay, let's do this one. Oh boy. More tweaker stuff. Even though this individual was not a tweaker, that's just what I call it. Nails in jars. Yeah, nails. Nails. More nails. Jar with another jar with nails, with more nails in the other jar. Just make sure. Yeah. Nails. Test light somebody's using. Little jars of nails. More nails. Might save those. Box of nails. This box here is pretty, oh, nails, go with you. Pretty damp. Yeah. Oh yeah. Box with chain. Oh, it looks like a plumber snake. Gross. More freaky nails. I might keep that little plumber snake though. I don't feel like handling it right now. Okay. Are you kidding me? Nails. Nails. This guy had really a fetish for nails. Why would he have so many nails? Why would he use the ones he had? Oh, that's some good stuff. Rain-X. Oh, there's an old coffee can. Nails, 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 everywhere nails. Oh man. Look at that. Remember what I was telling you? Stuff that you leave in your storage units? Oh, it wasn't really that. These are all empty cassettes for recording. Man, this is a gold mine. You think I'm crazy, but this is a gold mine. These are 60-minute tapes. Oh man. Sony, 1 hour and 20. Oh, they're in there. I'm not kidding you. Look on eBay. I hope I'm not exaggerating, but I believe so. Oh, here's some Maxwell, another thing of Maxwell. Oh man, brand new gold mine. This is a gold mine. Pretty sure. Oh man, brand new. 120. Man. Awesome. And here's another one. Oop. I can't get it out. I put the other one back. Another box, just like you've seen. Gold mine. Absolute gold mine. Wow. Awesome. I bet you these tapes I have here will pay for the unit. Yeah. Gold mine. Wow. Awesome. Very happy to see that. I'll set you over here gingerly. Okay. Another one of them weird boxes of squirter grinding wheel. Odds and ends. This double-faced tape. Ignition cutoff switch. It's just wire with a toggle switch. Here's some, you know, for shelving. Some hardware for shelving. Oh, I bet you'll never guess what else is in here. Nails. Yep. Whew, that stunk. Little magnets. Back here. Nope, I dropped a nail. Oh no. What is in this stupid bag? Set of keys to something. Huh. I'll show you something here in a minute. Her rifle BBs. I found some BBs earlier. Maybe we'll find a BB gun. Copper ring. Heavy copper ring. Oh, check out that cool key. RD Lake. That's an awesome key. Check it out. That's pretty cool. I'm going to keep that. You know what else I'm going to keep? I'll show you in just a second. This bag. This bag says First National Bank, Orist, California. Orasi, California. It's pretty cool. This junk goes back in here. Along with this. There is something else in here. We got to figure out what it is. Maybe it's the BB gun. There's two of them, whatever it is. Uh-oh, I'm gonna lose my knife in the junk pile. Oh. That's weird. Tent stakes. Nice. I can use those. I sell a lot of tents. I bought a unit that had a lot of tents. I'll give them away with the tents as extra tent stakes. Huh, more tent stakes. That's pretty cool. Something I could actually use. I got time for one more. Sweater. Oh man, this is just more what I call tweaker. Total tweaker box. Look at this thing. Hey, an old Super Bowl. Remember these? But this is just full of junk. Well, what I'd consider junk. I mean, there's just nails and nails, puppy dog tails. It's just tweaker stuff. I'll go through it real quick so if there's anything in here. All that for one hose clamp. Yeah, it's just thermal wire heat band. Oh, one of them thermal wires. Oh well. Yeah, there's nothing in there. It's just tweak your garbage. Hey, this is Captain DAVEMAN signing out. Peace to you. Remember, believe no one, trust nothing. Or the other way around. Trust nobody, believe nothing. Doesn't matter. It's all the same. So, there's jewelry. Maybe next video my wife will be back. Or maybe not. Who knows. But anyhow, have a good one. See you next time. And remember, subscribe. Ring the bell. Don't cost nothing. It's absolutely free. Never know what we're going to find.